So the poetry I'm writing now is a lot more experimental. I'm playing with a lot more with sound and the way the poems are placed on the page, the way pieces come into conversation with one another. And my current chapbook that's about to be launched is called The Corpus, Undone in the Blizzard. And that chapbook is a collection of poems that I wrote last year when I was, after I was diagnosed with esophageal cancer. I wrote these poems during my treatment and after my surgery. And I didn't write them with the intention of creating a chapbook. It was really, the poetry was again a way of giving voice to all of the different emotions and thoughts that came up around the whole experience of the cancer. And really, in some ways, helped to save me. Because I was able to write about the experience in a way that allowed me to express all of the different emotions that I don't even know if I was able to identify without having written the poetry. So, and eventually I put all the poems together and realized that there was a body of work there, and I felt that it needed to be out in the world. So I sent it around and I found a publisher, and that's going to be published very soon.